Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your first HDFC ATM card. First, locate an HDFC Bank ATM. Insert your new card into the designated slot. You will then be prompted to enter a one-time password, which you should have received on your registered mobile number. After entering this, you can set your new 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN. Make sure to choose a memorable yet secure PIN, and then confirm it to activate your card successfully. Once your card is active, withdrawing cash is simple. Insert your card and enter your newly set 4-digit PIN. From the main menu, select the cash withdrawal option. You'll then need to choose the account type you wish to withdraw from, such as savings or current. Enter the specific amount you need, for instance, 500 rupees. The machine will dispense your cash, and remember to collect your receipt. Beyond cash withdrawals, your HDFC ATM card offers other useful functions. To check your account balance, simply insert your card, enter your PIN, and select Balance Inquiry from the menu. If you need a quick overview of your recent transactions, choose the Mini Statement option. The ATM will display or print a summary of your last few transactions. Always remember to retrieve your card once your transaction is complete. Finally, always prioritize the security of your ATM card. Never share your personal identification number with anyone, and always shield the keypad with your hand when entering it. Before using an ATM, quickly check for any unusual devices attached to the card slot or keypad. If your card is ever lost or stolen, report it to HDFC Bank immediately to prevent unauthorized use. Stay safe and enjoy the convenience of your new card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.